in. What's in here?
2 Wolfram AG15s on a Wolfram 3K, SoundQubed highs and mids on a Wolfram 125.
125. And is it a 1 ohm or half ohm?
1 ohm.
1 ohm. What's it tuned to?
Right now, I don't know.
Let's say, did you put this in?
We just shrunk the port last night.
Was that to play lower?
Yeah. Yeah, it's tuned at 50 hertz for the meter.
Oh, so it's kind of like a plug port. That way you can demo with it. So you don't know what it does on the meter?
Nope.
Okay.
Had it out on it.
All right. But it definitely sounds better than the 4th, you think?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they're breathing a lot better.
What are these rated at?
1250 watts.
1250. So you went. Okay. Yeah. And then you don't have to invert them. I wonder if you inverted them. Just as
I had one inverted.
Just at a trial to see.
I haven't tried it here yet.
No. That would be interesting if you invert it. I've never seen people wall it and invert it, but it might be different. Who knows? All right. JBC.
Yep.
You run an AC. Hardly anybody runs AC in demo. Don't blame me, it's hot. Super tweeter. Yeah, 6.5, yep. With the 125.4. Right there. It looks good the way you sealed it off too.
Appreciate it.
When you shut it, when the door's shut, you can tell that the pressure is staying in here.
Yep.
Yeah. Awesome. Yeah, nice to meet you, man. I like the wall. Good. That's different.
Definitely a lot.
You don't play as low though, do you?
No, it doesn't play as low now.
And your voltage is solid still.
That was down to 29.
Yeah. But that's really all you need for most music, unless you're playing like DJ Slow It Though or something. Yeah. Subsonic Suicide, but most people don't need that. Yeah. Nah. Awesome.
That's a whole lot of vibration.
I say that's probably tuned to more like what, 32, 33 hertz or something?
I think it's around 34.
34?
Seems to be what it likes.
Yeah. Awesome. Yeah, I like it. That was the song, Nightmare.
Yeah.
Coca-Cola, yeah, yo, bought me everything. Yola, yola, baking soda. Cocaine is my girl, fine. Water, water, boiling water.